Hello there, welcome to a new style gameplay video that I recorded at Redhills Airsoft. I was inspired by Kieran over Fox Green Airsoft for the new editing method. I will leave a link in the description to his channel, check him out. At the beginning of the game we split our team into small groups and all worked towards clearing the village in the centre of the field. In this first game we had to hunt the high value targets who were wearing blue shower caps. Once a HVT was hit, you had to grab them for 3 seconds before being able to capture the hat. Once all hats were collected, the game is over.
Yeah. I think so, yeah. Yeah. Can we go down here and to the left?
Upon reaching the village, there were no enemies to be seen. We decided to split up again, so myself and Jack from the Havoc Monsters moved around to the left. Don't end up like me and always watch your foot.
Oh, yeah. Oh, bollocks. No, that was fucking sore. Drop on.
It was a hit, but okay.
Thanks to Jack for taking a hit to help me up.
Oh, fuck my arm.
Where'd Buck respawn?
Back where we started.
Ah, fuck them.
When moving to regroup with the rest of the team, I spotted a HVT and took him out.
1, 2, 3. You can't.
Gaming, lads, that's real solid, quick gaming, brilliant stuff.
We pull back then, back through the village and into the pit.
Just go down the bottom, I'll go through the middle.
Right.
When I met up with the rest of the team, myself and Tommy from the Havoc Monsters decided to move along the outside of the field here and move along to our right towards the buildings, but we encountered some enemy fire and pushed out towards the left. Check out Tommy's channel, I will leave a link down in the description.
You go front? I don't want to go in front.
Don't mind. Nice one. Yeah.
Upon pushing forward, I get taken out. After respawning, I decided to focus my attack on the buildings.
He's hit. I think there's another one into the left somewhere, but I can't see. Oh yeah. Hey!
I get taken out again.
I don't mind.
One is down the pit, so we might as well forget about him.
Yeah.
We've got barn, tractor shed, and the back courtyard. One try and swing wide and come down.
Yeah.
Patrick! Patrick!
I need to keep moving or else I'll fog.
Eh?
I need to keep moving or else I'll fog.
Oh yeah, keep there moving.
Yeah.
Swing up right here. Through this.
When I respawned, myself and Tommy pushed around to the far side of the bunker area.
Bunker on the right hand side.
Yeah.
Straight ahead.
Oh fuck.
Come on. Yeah, he's down! One on the right. See, there's cover on the left with a white sign on it. You can just see the tip of his head. He's going right upside his eyes. So he's directly left. He's down, left hand side down. Back cover, right hand side.
Yeah, I see him. Got him.
Alright, time for this.
We're right across to the door.
Go.
The back flag of respawn one, the officer's nest is gone.
The game ends just when we were about to push through the buildings.
That was some game.
Nice. Well done.
In the next game, we just reversed the HVT game. We had to protect Tommy in the field. With a 4-man squad and multiple points of entry, myself, Patrick, Jack and Tommy had to hold down this area. We decided to dig in and hold out for as long as possible. As defenders, we only had 3 lives.
Okay. That was close. Am I okay? Hit! Dead man coming out.
Back in. Well done.
That's a fucking great grenade.
Yeah. Hit! Dead man. Right, I'm coming down.
That's fucking deadly, that voice.
Who? Where? Who called me?
You've got that pathway to the left and I've got this pathway from 12, you see.
Right.
Patrick's got my 6 here, but I need you to cover the pathway, so wish, 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock, coming down.
Tommy got hit and was medic back in by Patrick.
Nice one. Good going, Tommy. Where's Griffin? Where's Griffin?
Fucking great fight going on here now, lads. Keep it up, yeah? Keep that standard up.
You can hold this 12, like.
Yeah.
Just because some of that's what we need to get in, work that in.
Oh yeah.
Contact everywhere. Oh, holy shit.
I got hit for my third and final time. Tommy was killed and his hat captured with less than 2 minutes to go. If you like my new style of editing, please do leave a like, and if you didn't, leave a dislike. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and be sure to hit that bell icon to keep up to date with more videos like this. Special thanks to everybody at Redhills, and as always, thanks for watching.